Lenovo P11S drone. However, I can give you some general advice on what to look for when considering a drone for professional aerial photography. Camera quality. Look for drones with high-resolution cameras capable of capturing 8K video or high-megapixel photos for crisp, detailed imagery. Stability and control. Professional aerial photography requires stable flight and precise control. Ensure the drone you're considering has advanced stabilization features and responsive controls. Flight time and battery life. Longer flight times allow for more extended shooting sessions without needing to land and recharge. Look for drones with sufficient battery life for your needs. Obstacle avoidance. Advanced drones often come with obstacle avoidance sensors to help prevent collisions during flight, which is crucial for capturing shots safely and efficiently. Portability and durability. Consider the portability of the drone, especially if you plan to travel with it frequently. Additionally, drones built with durable materials can withstand harsh conditions and accidents. Software features. Check for features such as intelligent flight modes, automated shooting modes, and post-processing capabilities in the accompanying software to enhance your workflow and creativity. Price. Professional-grade drones can be costly investments, so consider your budget and ensure you're getting the features and performance you need for your photography projects. Before making a purchase, I recommend researching reviews and comparing specifications to ensure the Lenovo P11S drone meets your specific requirements for professional aerial photography.